everyone. Joe and I are down here tonight at Disney Springs of Walt Disney World. I wanted to go ahead and do a walkthrough with the Sony ZV-1 so that you can see what the evening quality is like on this camera. If you're new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. This video is recorded on auto program, and although it did a fairly decent job recording with the night light, the active stabilization was terrible. The walking is very jerky. It doesn't really look stabilized at all. With the GoPro, the hyper smooth stabilization is phenomenal. This Sony ZV-1 active stabilization is less than impressive.
Aquí normalmente uno se parquea aquí atrás y camina.
Thank you for visiting us today. For the health
Well, hopefully this was a good test for you guys to see just how this Sony ZV-1 works in the evening light. It's 9:30 right now here at Disney Springs, so it's quite dark, and yet the camera does an incredible job. So hopefully this is really helpful for you. If you are new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. Also, please check out some of our other great videos that we have of the Disney parks. The rides, resorts, resort rooms, Skyliner rides, day trips, car shows. We've got so many great videos I know you're going to love. Thank you so much for watching.